I do want to show you guys this hack really quick. If it works, I'm going to try this hack. I haven't heard anybody do this. So these bad boys are very, very expensive. They are $25 for the larger Stila eyeshadow. But I'm very upset because I've only used this a few times. And you guys can see right there, it started drying out. When I say drying out, you still see the glitter and everything, but it is getting dry. So hopefully this works. I got some Bosch and Lom. This is just the Cleanse, Disinfect, Rinse, Store soft contact lenses. This is kind of like saline solution. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour just a few drops, 3, 4, 5 drops in here and shake it up. And let's see. I don't know. Let's see if I just screwed up my eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. Do you see? Oh my gosh. That's where I told you it was drying. That's where it came out. Oh my goodness. Like night and day. Now does it dry down? Let's see. This multi-purpose solution just saved me a lot of money. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, look, it's totally drying down. Look at that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.